Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your private chats on WhatsApp without archiving or without locking WhatsApp. So first of all, just open the WhatsApp application and now just tap on these three dots in the upper right corner. Go for settings and then tap on this chats and now go to this chat backup and then you backup all the chat that are present. So tap on this backup. After that, you have to uninstall your WhatsApp application and then you have to install the GB WhatsApp application. If you want to install that application, it's not available in Play Store. You can download it from a website. So what I will do is I will open Google Chrome and then in Google we will search for GB WhatsApp, and as you can see these are the websites, and on this website you can download the GB WhatsApp application. You can see there it is. So once you have downloaded GB WhatsApp application, we will install it, and after installing just open the GB WhatsApp. You just have to enter the same number you've restored from other WhatsApp and it will restore your all backup data. And now if you want to hide any chat, for example I want to hide this one, so what I will do is I will tap and hold on this chat. Once it is selected, I can tap on these three dots and you can see this option hide chat. So if I tap on this hide chat, it will give me a window like pattern, pin or fingerprint. So I can select anything with pattern, pin or fingerprint. Let's say I want to select this pin and now I have to set the pin here, and now as you can see the chat is hide now. If I close my WhatsApp application, which is GB WhatsApp, and if I open it again, and you can see my chat is not here. And if you want to see the hidden chat, you have to tap on this WhatsApp and you have to enter the pin code and there is your chat. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.